welcome to our WIC cooking class. I'm Sarah, and today I'll demonstrate how to make a veggie frittata. This recipe is colorful and fun, and a great way to get your veggies in at your first meal of the day. It's low in calories and packed with nutrients, and it can be easily modified to your taste or food needs. So let's get started. These are the ingredients we're going to use today. We'll have 4 eggs, 1/3 cup of chopped tomatoes, 1/3 cup diced bell peppers, 1/3 cup sliced mushrooms. We're using these vegetables, but feel free to customize your frittata with your favorite vegetables. We'll also need salt and pepper to taste, and this recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, but we will be using olive oil instead. Olive oil is a good choice because it has been shown to benefit heart and brain health. Before you get started, make sure that all the countertops and utensils are cleaned and sanitized, and don't forget to wash your hands. This will prevent the spread of germs and will help keep you and your family safe, as well as your food. Since this recipe calls for several vegetables, you'll also want to make sure to wash these before cutting them. First, I'll start out by making the egg mixture. In a small bowl, I'll combine the 4 slightly beaten eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper and set them aside for now. Next, I'll cut the vegetables and measure out 1/3 cup for each. Next, I will heat the tablespoon of olive oil on medium heat in a small nonstick skillet. Then we'll add the tomatoes, green peppers, and mushrooms to the skillet. These vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals that help keep your brain, heart, and body healthy. So when it comes to your plate, the more colors, the better. I will cook the vegetables in the uncovered skillet for about 5 minutes. You'll want to stir occasionally until you feel the veggies are slightly tender. Next, pour the egg mixture over the vegetables and reduce the heat to low. Eggs are a great source of protein that help keep your body strong and your stomach full. They even have nutrients that support your brain and memory. Cook the eggs over low heat until the eggs are cooked through. Then your frittata is ready to enjoy. This dish is a great way to add vegetables into your family's breakfast in a fun and colorful way. And the best part is, it's easy and fast too. Thank you for joining me today. For more delicious and nutritious recipes, click below to like and subscribe to the RHN WIC YouTube channel.